Not help me. That's all from fathers anyway. So anybody who not get married yet, I am gonna hand over my bouquet. And if the man don't want married to you, unless I look upon Queenie or quick Queenie married, more married and try my part. Because you can't know what married life is gonna bring until you go in it. You have to cross the part to know the part. If you imagine it, it's not gonna work. That's just in your mind. So all who don't get married yet, I want to get married. Watch, I see if snuff on and I will come back. I'm telling you, say, come tell me so to get married. Ready? I'm going to go and buck here and send out good energy with natural mother nature and you'll get married. Don't wait on any house on long to have one only bridesmaid, cook only food. If it's even one like a hungry belly marriage, you never say 11 days but I come married, turn out good, but I didn't expect it to turn out like that. So, to-dum, 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 to-dum. Ooh, I'm married. Ooh, I'm married. To-dum, 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 to-dum. Ooh, I'm married. I'm gonna send you the bouquet. If you catch it, you have to tell the man that you're walking down the aisle. Down the aisle, here comes the bride. Walking down the hall, along the aisle. Sorry. Queen of it. I'm so stupid. But really, not for honor really why I'm married, But wait for riches till I have one big house. Don't wait. Just start and just get it over and done with. Fuck that. Oh, next year I get married, I'm one, two limousine. Fuck that murder, and then after the murder, I get the limousine. Like I'm gonna get the rose ID. Anyway, my three floors. Yeah? Oh, that Caroline, you see? What's your Cara? See that? See them Cara? You wanna get married? You will. You wanna get married? You will. Girl, it's not enough, it's all purpose. My height, my creation, I am very quick. So things that you would not fascinated over, I am fascinated over it. So my eyes saw the car and I want to show it. Ha ha. Anyway, ready for you, Bakeda? Yes. Enough woman, me think, every woman, right? They should get married. It's nice. Try it, cuss ball. If it not work, it not work. But don't knock it until you try it. Don't say, I don't want to get married to when I have no married potential. Kind of found a man not even stand up beside him, much as married to him. Because of the negative. So stop thinking negative. Do the little natural things and send it out and grab the bouquet and then come back and tell me all who get married. And now has the queen, Mr. Scarlett, married to Mr. Scarlett Dwayne. Has a wife I can represent for the wife. The wife. Wife to be, wife intention, and wife potential. It's called all boiled down to being a wife. Divorce, widow, or engaged is potential. So this pleasant side about it. I get Queenie from? Wife life. Yes. When I don't come before my life. And yeah, listen. So, Queenie, stop it. Jesus Christ. No, no, Queenie, eat it. No, make me cut the same, buddy. No, man. Me need for me to get married. Star. God, I don't get too much fucking trouble. It's truth. No, for this antagonization we may get. It's true, no, don't married. And someone else said to the man them that have no money. You don't know the use of the man them. So, you ignorant for me. So, the go and get married, man. I'm not lie. Enough girl girls me through my marriage, that's why them bash me. And then I force me.